Hello everyone. In this video, I will guide you how you can amend any quotation or any document on Transact. So you can amend quotation, order confirmation, purchase order, how you can do so. So first of all, let us go to our sales and purchase module. On your left hand side, you will see sales and purchase module. Please click on this. Now, once you will go in sales and purchase, you need to click on quotation. After going in quotation, suppose this is the very first quotation which I want to amend. Click on this, quotation will get opened up. Right hand side, very top corner, you will see option of amend. Click on amend option, it will ask for the confirmation. Click on yes, amend. I will just go ahead and add a new item in this. I will add rod, quantity, price, and I will make changes in price in previous item as well. Go below, click on save and send, and please check. Now my quotation is amended. You can see both the items are coming in the quotation. I hope this video will be helpful to you in order to amend any document or amend a quotation. Have a good day ahead.